What if luxury didn't stop where the road ends? What if your premium SUV could conquer mountains, deserts, and still feel like first class? Meet the all-new Lexus GX, where rugged power meets refined luxury. The completely redesigned Lexus GX is no longer just an upgrade, it's a transformation. Built on a new global platform, this SUV is tougher, bolder, and more capable than ever before. With its aggressive stance, signature spindle grille, and sharp LED lighting, this is Lexus entering a whole new era of adventure. Under the hood, the GX packs a powerful 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering around 349 horsepower and massive torque for any terrain. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, this SUV is built for both highways and hardcore trails. And yes, it's a true off-roader. Full-time four-wheel drive, locking differentials, and advanced terrain management systems mean nothing can stop it. From rocky climbs to deep sand, the Lexus GX is engineered to dominate. Features like crawl control and multi-terrain select make even the toughest paths feel effortless. This isn't just an SUV, it's an adventure machine. Step inside, and everything changes. Premium leather, ambient lighting, and a massive 14-inch touchscreen create a cabin that feels both modern and luxurious. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system, you're always connected, always comfortable. Safety is at the core of Lexus design. The GX comes loaded with Lexus Safety System Plus, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and advanced collision prevention features. Confidence comes standard. The new Lexus GX isn't just a luxury SUV. It's a bold statement, for those who want comfort without limits, and adventure without compromise. This might just be the perfect SUV. What do you think about the new Lexus GX? Would you take it off-road, or keep it in the city? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car content.